Hey everybody. So I was at a BMW meet today and I was talking to some folks about the AP Racing brake kit that I have, and we were also discussing the anti-rattle clips and the pad rattle that can occur without them. And it occurred to me that there wasn't really any good examples to show just how good or how tolerable that pad rattle is. And while driving back from the meet, I went on a particular stretch of road that happened to make the pads rattle particularly badly. So luckily my dash cam picked this up, so I'm going to share these clips with you so that you can decide whether or not the anti-rattle clips are worth it for you or not.